guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. I have some new releases to share with you. We've got new Catherine Pooler items, new from MFT. I also have some from Colorado Craft Company. So fun goodies to share. You can use coupon code Jamie for 10% off your order. I also have a free with 60. So this will pop into your cart once your order qualifies. So fill it up to $60. You'll see this pop into your cart. It's called Bubbles in the Tub from Scrapping for Less. Really cute stamp set. If you already have this, just leave me a comment and I will switch it out for you. Leave that comment with your order. So let's dig into the new Catherine Pooler. So there's some new inks. So this is sold as a bundle. So really pretty blues and greens. Those would make some great cards for summer. We've got some matching paper pads. So this paper pad looks pretty good to match with that. We've got the 6 by 6 and the 3.5 by 8.5 size paper pad. So we've got Bright Idea and Sketchbook. We've also got some matching sequins. We've got Scranton and Menlo Park sequence mix. So this one's like a blue and a pink, yellow. And then we've got this one with the greenish and the yellowish, bluish colors in there. There's a nice photo on the website for that. So here's a background stamp. It's called Off the Wall Backgrounds. So you get 3 patterns there. Perfect for a little background and then putting a little stamp in front of it and a sentiment. This one is Butterfly in Bloom. It's a beautiful butterfly. Half of it is in florals, which is really pretty, and the sentiment, you make life beautiful and thinking of you. This light up, I was thinking of light up cards. This would be perfect for light up cards. This is called Bright Days. So you get some light bulbs, and this stamp looks really pretty with the light bulbs in front of the patterns. And then you get some great sentiments that go with this. You keep coming to mind. Thank you for brightening my day. I'm really missing you. You're on inspiration. You're an inspiration. You make my heart glow. And then this is the coordinating die. So the die does cut out the little strings there. This one's really cute. This is a crafting themed stamp set called Desktop Treasures. And I love the washi tape. We've got a little stapler and scissors and then the little cup with the pens. And then the sentiments are: friendship is a cut above. Just a note to say thanks. And you are one of my favorite treasures. And the die. So the die does cut out the circles inside the scissors, which I love that. Then we've got Your Zest Life. So nice, kind of like a lemonade theme. And we've got today, I will spread sunshine for your sentiment and live your zest life. Really cute. And then the coordinating die for that one. And then the sentiment pack here called Favorite Day Ever Sentiments. So let's see, we've got Laughing Buddy. Okay, so we got You're My, and then you can put Laughing Buddy, Partner in Crime. We've got Adventure, Birthdays Are My, Place to Land, Hey There, Thanks for Being You, Friend, You Will Always Be My. They say you shouldn't have a favorite, but you are mine. So kind of you mix and match these sentiments to create your own. We've got a nice border stamp set called Backyard Borders. You get your picket fence. Look at these cute birds on the line there, singing and chirping. And then we've got a ground border with the little vegetables underneath. So super cute. It goes perfect with the next stamp set. Gardener's Greetings. So you get some cute gnomes in there. a little wheelbarrow with flowers, gardening gloves, sentiments thinking of you, spring greetings, and just a note. So that's really cute. And then there's a die for that, and the die does cut out the inside of that piece there. And then I brought back a favorite. This is the mug shots, so really cute. Coffee cups. I love the little dog on the coffee cup. The sentiments: make today some awesome that yesterday gets jealous. May your coffee be strong, your Monday be short. There's an and. If you are going to rise, you might as well shine. And then the die for that one. Super, super cute. And then I did grab the paper, so I think I have the matching paper for that. This die here is called Sunshine Mini Cover Plate. So great for a little mini size card. It's got the sun and nice scallops there and the sentiment high. We've got some mosaic tiles. So this will cut out some very nice fun shapes, put them together to make a nice pattern. We've got angled stripes cover plate. So great to use on all your pattern paper. Use them on all different pieces of pattern paper and then put them together. I love doing that. And this die will just make it very quick and easy for that to happen. Then we've got the Trilliant Slimline die. So that one's really fun. You can just cut it out and pop out all of the pieces and use that as your background, or you can inlay different colors. That'd be fun. So that is the Catherine Puller. Now for the MFT, we've got a cute little Pure Innocence girl. Sunshine Kisses, all ready for some sunbathing. Can we chill together soon? Sending sunshine kisses and fun summer wishes. It's really cute. And now we have some Tiddly Inks images. Those are really cute. This is called Let Your Hair Down. So she's upside down on a tree branch. And there's cute little birds there, some leaves falling. To my best friend, or to my bravest friend, you make me crazy happy. It's your birthday, let your hair down. And then the coordinating die is available. This is a really cute die. So it cuts out this little wreath. And then it doesn't cut out on the edge here. It cuts out on this edge, so it cuts out the circle. So then you can put that on your card base and put something on the inside. That's really cute. Braided border. We've got Flutter by Friends, which is a really cute stamp. She's got a little butterfly outfit on, and she's holding a little net. We've got all little butterflies and one little butterfly on this cluster of flowers. Let's catch up soon. The good things in life are better with you. And hi, beautiful. Coordinating die for that one. And I love this one. Is called Definition of Friendship. And look at those two gals all buddied up. We are the definition of friendship. I can't imagine having a better friend than you. And then best catch ever. We've got a whale, some fish and some coral, some seaweed. I will always love you. Thank you for your kelp. You were the best catch ever. And then the die. So fun stuff. Oh, I have some more here. So there's a die. We've got stitching and 3 windows. So this for your slimline dies. And I do have a pouch that'll fit inside those windows so you can create shakers. Already showed you this one. We've got Spa Day. So this is super cute. Cute little bear dressed up in a robe. And then we've got the little rabbit in the tub with bubbles. And then this little bird in a teacup with bubbles. Nice rug. So this is a super fun. Time with you is always stress-free. Thank you for being someone I can relax around. Have a spectacular day. Happy All About You Day. And I need some me time with some you time. That's really cute. We've got Swimming Hole Friends. So there's a little swimming hole, and I love this little bear on the tire. That's super cute. And look at that hippo. You're my favorite chill seeker. You make me smile big time. Let's dive into some fun and soak up some fun. This one's called Beach Bear, and the die for that one. So that's really cute. All these cute little bears. I love that one, sleeping. Sending chill birthday vibes. All good things come in waves. I hope your high tide is on its way. I hope your day is flippin' awesome. Just be claws. Sending sunny wishes and sandy kisses. Then we've got Spill the Tea. So you get this this ground that they could be sitting on, and this could be the tea all spilt. You could look, that could even be like a cloud if you wanted to use it for clouds. And then we've got two girls having a tea party. There's a little doll and a teddy bear and some accessories there. I can't wait to spill the tea with you. Whatever we do, it's more fun together. I can't imagine my life without you in it. And being without you is my cup of tea. Actually, being with you is my cup of tea. So we've got scalloped stripe. So that's really cute. It's like a hand-drawn scallop with little dots. Make a really cute background. And then the wave stencil. So it's called Wavy Lines. So great for underwater scenes. I have some other things here from Waffle Flower and Colorado Crafts. So here's a nice stamp set with a big thank you, and then XO, and then all these little sentiments that go with the thank you. So thank you for your kindness, for your generosity, more than words can say. You didn't have to, but you did, and it means the world to me. So this is really nice to have in your stash. Same with this one with the big smile. It's your birthday. Hope this makes you smile. Somebody loves you. It's your special day. You could put your smile lights up the room. It all started with a smile. Just very perfect for a lot of different occasions. And then the big smile with the shadow die. And then from Colorado Crafts, I just love this artist, Anita Jerem. And I just love her illustrations. They're so cute. And here is a cute little one with the hedgehogs and a little happy mail. Happy Hedgehog Day. And yes, it's a real thing. Everything will be all right. You'll see. Happy mail is the best mail. I'm cute. And you know it. That's really fun. So this is called Hedgehog Day. And then the bigger ones here. This one is called Home Sweet Home. So this is really cute. So you can make a little, your card look like a little house. Just stamp the door and the windows, and then the little planters. Super cute. And there's a little dog in the window. Got a little cat outside. You have fun coloring these little stones in. So this looks really fun to play with. And then of course I love this one. It's all about coffee. And that one's called Coffee House. Look how cute that is. The little mice playing in the coffee house. Everything gets better with coffee. Stressed, blessed, and coffee obsessed. Let's coffee soon. Coffee soon, my friend. And love is brewing. So fun. And then this one, Happily Ever After, I think is perfect to make some wedding cards or some congratulations cards. Look at how cute the scene is. So it's like a wedding party with the people dancing, but they're not people, they're mice. So cute. There's the table with the cake, and it's outside. You can see them with the tree and the banners here. A little couple dancing. So cute. On your wedding day, Mr. and Mrs. Here's to love, laughter, and happily ever after. Wishing you a lifetime of love and happiness. To the new, and then congratulations. So really cute. Oh, and I'm going to insert a photo of the cards that my mom made. Well, the card that my mom made when she was over. She had a really good time. She had to make a happy anniversary card. So she used our stamp set. It's all dirty, but this is the one with the 2 hands called Happy Together. So I'll have this linked in the description box. It's perfect for cards for congratulating someone for getting married, or their happy anniversary. We've got To My Best Friend, You Make Me So Happy in here. This is really cute, and check out her card. She did a really great job. So thank you guys for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. And I will talk to you real soon. We have a mini release on June 15th. So hop on over on the 15th. I'm going to share a card samples and the 2 stamp sets and paper pad that we are releasing. So super exciting. And I will catch you then. Bye guys.